that's the game. You have to stay in it until the game's over. Oh, I stepped on it, so you have to try to bite Molly now. I got it.
You made it. Miklosh, is the tractor zooming around and around?
Yeah. Oh, she touched me, so like that. But that doesn't count. You have to if you fall in the middle, it's just for fun. We're not playing that. We're playing a different game. If you fall in the middle, it's okay. You can just but you cannot touch the carpet. You can only touch
Ooh.
or the bear. Yeah, you cannot touch the carpet. If you land off of it, you are out of the game. If 1 foot is at least you cannot. And you have to sit there. You walked on the carpet. Sorry. It's okay if you fall in the middle, okay? If you fall in here like that, it's okay. You're not stuck.
Wow. Around and around and around. Zoom. Ooh.
You can't step on that. That's bad. I'm going all the way around. I got it. Okay, this is the real game starting now. You cannot touch the carpet. No, she.
A block.
Go, Alexandra. Go, walk.
Hey, Miklosh, you stuck it to the wall.